Frictional contact between fluid and filter media results in an electrostatic charge. If not dissipated, this accumulates and discharges via the filter housing, often blasting holes through the filter media and damaging components. This critically compromises filter integrity and causes fluid degradation and potential varnish formation. Pall Supralon filters incorporate a conductive spiral wrap that continually dissipates static charge, preventing buildup and in turn any high voltage arcing. The consequence is smaller filters with higher flow rates can be confidently incorporated into hydraulic and lube systems, saving space, reducing operating expense, extending fluid life, and removing the detrimental effects of varnish. Pall Supralon filters offer the ultimate solution for the protection against premature failure of hydraulic and lubrication equipment. To learn more about how Pall Supralon can reduce operating cost and improve overall system performance in your production processes, please contact your local Pall representative or visit the Pall website.